Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Woodbrew video. This week's tool review is going to be all about the Ryobi 3-gallon cordless wet dry vacuum. So we got this as part of the Ryobi Days event that's going on at Home Depot right now. Basically the way it works is if you purchase a 2-pack of 3 amp-hour batteries, which is like $100, you get to choose one of a handful of tools for free. It's a really great deal. We did get paid to say this on our Instagram, but we aren't being paid to say it again in this video. We just think it's a really good value, and we want to give it to you guys before the event goes away, so that hopefully you can get in before the promotion is gone.
Yeah, and aside from this deal right here, they have lots of other deals that come with some really good options. So the first thing we like to do when we do these tool reviews is talk about the pros and the cons. I'm gonna talk about the pros first. The first one being is that it's battery powered, which is always good. Second of all is it's small enough to carry around with you and vacuum up whatever you need. It's
super portable. That's the big thing I think that makes it so useful. And if you're anything like us, we don't usually need more than a 3-gallon vacuum unless we're running a dedicated machine, and for that we actually have a dust collector. So we think this is just about the perfect size, and when we do installs and stuff like that, we can take this with us. We can actually suck things up as we're cutting or drilling a hole, say in sheetrock, and it's easy to drag this around. It's not on casters, we're not having to drag it across clients' brand new floors or anything like that. We can literally set it on the counter next to us or put it really anywhere.
Yeah.
That is the biggest. We got this thinking, wow, it'd be nice to have it to clean up around the shop and do little things like that. But no, that is like, it is so amazing. Like we're pretty much doing this tool review because this last install we did for Lululemon, this thing came in handy so much. I think it's almost a must-have if you're a contractor. I think personally.
Yeah, I agree.
Because I've had those giant roll around, and we do have them, giant roll around kind, and they're good, but they're attached to a cable and they're rolling around and they have a hose.
And they're loud.
Yeah, they're super loud. And so that's just a little bit overkill, I think, for a lot of scenarios, and this thing works really well. So
another thing that I just noticed sitting there, I didn't even realize that this was on it.
You didn't?
No.
It comes with a couple attachments.
I knew that one was there, but I haven't seen this one. So these are just, they have a dedicated spot on the vacuum where you can just store them, take them off really easily, and they haven't fallen off for us. So. And
also the hose gets stowed away really easily, and it's this really nice expandable hose that gets probably like maybe 6 feet-ish, something like that when it's fully extended. There's also, you can take this attachment and put it on the side and then turn this unit into a blower if you need to blow stuff off real quick. It does have a filter inside. It is a wet dry vac, so you can do both if you'd like.
And also this handle
locks.
Like it clicks into place, so it's not just like teeter-tottering.
Yep. All right, cons. So I think the first con, which is the pro, is that it's cordless, right? So I mean, for everything that we've done, the cordless has been more than adequate. But if you're thinking about getting a dedicated shop vac for your shop, I don't know if this would be good for you because I don't know how many batteries you necessarily have. We used one 4 amp-hour battery for the entire Lululemon install.
I don't think we've changed that.
Yeah, we have. I changed it the other day, but only because it got low. I haven't actually changed it because it died. So, I mean, I would say realistically we've ran this for 20 to 30 minutes at least, non-stop, and it hasn't drained the battery. So it is a con.
A pro and a con.
Yeah, it's a pro and a con, but it's something I wanted to throw out there as a con because potentially
you gotta remember to charge batteries.
Yeah, that is true. You have to, and there is no port to where you can plug in a regular power cord, which I would love to see on this. That would like make this 5 times better. Another con is I don't like this switch.
I like it.
I don't. It's like I'll be walking multiple times. I was walking into Lululemon as we were doing the install and had like 5 things in my hands, and I would hit it and turn it on and just start going like crazy, and I can't turn it off.
Oh, I think that did happen. I was vacuuming and the hose hit it. Yeah. And I was like, it turned it off. So I was like, oh my gosh, the battery's dead. We don't have another battery.
Yeah. So I wish this was either in a better placement or just a different type of switch, because like if you're spinning the hose around or if you're carrying it, you could potentially turn it off. Other cons?
I don't have any.
I wish, actually no I don't. I was gonna say I wish it had a longer hose, but that would be, I mean, that's not the point of this, so I don't think that's really super relevant. I actually do really like the hose. One thing
I just like how it stores so easily. Like a lot of vacuums don't have like a dedicated place for the entire hose to go into. This one does.
I've gotten pinched by this. I don't really know how. I can't make it happen again, but I've gotten pinched by that. I think it's a common thing with these expandable hoses. But I do like that this isn't super retention. So like you pull it and it doesn't move the unit away. So that's good.
That's good.
Well, I think that does it for the pros and cons. I can't think of any other pros or cons. Want to do final thoughts?
Yeah. Final thoughts. I like it. I mean,
yeah.
I'm the one who usually does the cleaning around here, and I use this all the time.
Yeah. So I think if you have like a Ryobi tool set already, you've got the batteries. This is kind of a no-brainer. I think it's relatively inexpensive, and if you ever need it to, you could use it around the house. You could use it in the car. You can use it all over the place. Like we just went to the beach and got sand everywhere in the car, so we just pulled this out, and instead of having to drag the whole big giant shot back out,
find a plug or an extension cord, you could just pull this out.
It's super easy.
Yeah. That's my final thoughts.
I think it's a great deal, and I also think you guys should check out the Ryobi Days promotion. Like I said, we're not being paid to say this, but we have been paid in the past to say it, if that makes a difference to you. But we really do think it's a great value. In fact, we spent more money on other tools at the promotion. Yeah, so it's great. Check it out. Link in the description below if you would like to check one of these out for yourself. And we will see you guys on Friday for our weekly update.